Okay, so, we've been digging into this whole AI thing for a while now on the show, and
Yeah.
you guys sent in some really interesting stuff about AI and art,
Mm-hmm.
and it just feels like the right time for a deep dive.
Yeah, definitely a lot to unpack here.
Totally. I mean, when we say AI and art, what are we even talking about?
Well, it's really all about how artificial intelligence is actually being used, to
Okay.
create art, to analyze it, to even like present it to the world.
Right, and it's not just like some far-off future thing either. It's like happening now.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, it's popping up all over in these creative fields
Yeah.
and, the reactions are all over the place.
Yeah, for sure. Like some people are excited, some people are freaked out.
Right, exactly.
So I guess our goal here in this deep dive is to really break down the specifics of, how AI is already impacting the art world, like right now.
Yeah, based on everything you've sent in.
Exactly.
And what's really interesting when you look at all this stuff is just how many different ways AI is being used in art.
Right. It's not just like computers spitting out pretty pictures.
Exactly. Yeah, there's so much more to it.
So let's start with something I bet everyone's seen in the news, like those AI-generated artworks.
Okay, yeah.
So you have these programs like DALL-E and Midjourney, I think.
Oh, yeah, and deep art?
Deep art, right. And they basically take like a description you type in and they make a whole image out of it.
It's pretty wild.
Yeah. And it's crazy detailed too.
Yeah.
And now there are these platforms where like anyone can try it.
It's totally changing who can make art.
Right. Like huge implications.
Yeah.
And thinking about how this connects to other creative fields like music, I know some of your sources talked about that.
For sure.
I mean, AI is composing music, designing sounds,
Yeah.
even like those crazy visuals you see on stage at concerts.
Yeah, it's doing all of that.
It's like mind-blowing how far it's come.
It really is.
And there's the whole thing about AI being used to restore old artworks like paintings and stuff.
Oh, yeah, that's fascinating.
It's like these algorithms can analyze the damage and help people, conservators, actually put the pieces back together.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Like even fill in missing parts super accurately.
So we're talking about like preserving cultural heritage.
Exactly, yeah.
Really powerful stuff.
It makes you wonder, how do artists feel about all this?
That's a great question. And actually, a lot of your sources talked about how
Yeah.
artists are using AI as like a partner, a collaborator.
Oh, interesting.
So not replacing them,
Yeah.
but like helping them brainstorm, explore new styles, or even just to handle like those boring, repetitive tasks.
Oh, so they can focus on the more creative side of things.
Exactly. Yeah.
Which, speaking of creative, like NFTs and AI art, that's another big thing you guys sent in stuff about.
Yeah. NFTs are huge right now.
Let's
And
see.
AI art is like perfect for that world.
Right.
It's all about digital ownership, and these AI pieces, they're all unique.
It's kind of a natural fit.
Right.
Okay, and then like even museums and galleries, they're getting in on this AI action.
Oh, yeah. Museums are really embracing AI, which is cool.
Yeah, tell me about that.
Well, we're seeing things like virtual curators. So AI can actually design exhibitions based on like your interests.
That is so cool.
And also interactive exhibits and even personalized experiences for each visitor.
Wow. Okay, so big picture, we're seeing all these applications, but what does it all mean for artists?
Yeah, that's the question, isn't it?
Right. If AI can make art, what does that even mean for human creativity?
Does it make us more creative, or does it like change everything?
It makes you wonder what the role of the artist even is in this new world,
Totally. Maybe the focus shifts more towards like the artist's ideas
Yeah.
or their ability to kind of curate what the AI produces.
Interesting.
Or even their skill in like developing the AI tools themselves.
So it's not just about making the art, it's about,
It's about understanding it, guiding it.
wow, yeah, so much to think about. I mean, just based on everything you guys sent in for this deep dive, it's clear that this AI thing, it's not just a trend,
No, it's way bigger than that.
it's a fundamental shift in like how art is made, how we see it, how we experience it.
Right. And even what that we think of as art.
Exactly. And it makes you wonder, like, what's the balance between this incredible technology
Yeah.
and, the human spark, the human creativity?
A really important question.
Yeah, definitely something to keep in mind as we see AI's influence growing.
It'll be interesting to see where it all goes.
Yeah, for sure. All right, well, that's our deep dive into AI and art. Thanks for sending in all your thoughts and questions. Keep them coming.
Absolutely. This conversation is just getting started.
It really is. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the next deep dive.
See ya.
Thanks for watching FutureBond's AI Humans. What's next? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. See you in the next episode.